Welcome to our channel E-Commerce Know-How. The marketplace and ecosystem of cryptocurrency startup Kyptonect stated that it is all set to launch the Amazon of the blockchain with the marketplace that lets the consumers purchase some tangible products. In today's video, let's dive into the entire scenario about the crypto coin and their plan for Amazon on the blockchain. But before we begin, make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon to never miss out on more videos we post. Here we begin. So Kyptonect is set to launch the Binance Smart Chain by 2022, and the primary component of this crypto coin is an e-commerce market or the freelance marketplace. This is the London-based organization that claims it is the pioneer in combining the highly advantageous components of blockchain with the rise of e-commerce. Firstly, various people have faced issues caused by the internet connection consumers, especially those excluded from e-commerce, which can be solved by dispersing away from the past forms of the online medium to exchange the cryptocurrencies. Even though cryptocurrency technology has not been explored seriously by any small or big e-commerce platforms, the acceleration has already begun, and cryptocurrency is at the forefront of this revolution. Meanwhile, the organization stated that the work-from-home trend has set up the potential boom for P2P freelance, which will require a highly efficient infrastructure than what is currently available for the users. Kyptonect suggests that it can connect and create that infrastructure by integrating the smooth and easy-to-use blockchain component. The organization states that the value is in anonymity, and users can easily connect their wallets to start buying and selling, making untraceable and confidential transactions. This thing, however, doesn't sacrifice the possibility for the data analytics, but leaves at the user's consent. The anonymous package delivery solutions were also implemented as per the organization. Kyptonect states its team was led by a developer and founder identified only as Cam in the hope to raise funds over some week in a series of the initial DEX offering rounds. Earlier, Payments looked at how e-commerce has and hasn't changed in the interview with one of the executives, who argued that the time is ripe for the new ways to move money where it is more of a push than a push-a-pull. With the blockchain, there is a potential for a huge disruption in the way people pay and are paid. Business-to-business, corresponding banking, and more places will see friction, historically where the world is wired certainly, are being flattened by cryptocurrency. Surprisingly, Amazon is looking to append a digital currency and the blockchain expert to its payments team, suggesting the organization could be taking a serious look at cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. As per some recent posting, Amazon's payments experience and acceptance team is looking to hire an experienced product leader to develop Amazon's digital currency and blockchain strategy and the product roadmap. Surprisingly, you will leverage the domain expertise in blockchain, central bank digital currencies, distributed ledger, and cryptocurrencies to develop the case for capabilities that should be developed, driving overall product strategy and vision, and attain leadership investment or buy-in for new capabilities. Amazon spokesperson stated in a statement that they are inspired by the innovation happening in the cryptocurrency space and exploring what this could look like on Amazon. They believe that the future will be designed on new technologies enabling fast, modern, and inexpensive payments, and hope to bring the future to customers of Amazon as soon as possible. The organization's cloud computing unit, the Amazon Web Services, also offers the service known as the Managed Blockchain. But Amazon doesn't accept cryptocurrencies as its payment modes for products, and Andy Jassy, the CEO of Amazon Web Services, stated that the organization was not focused on blockchain technology. However, he acknowledged Amazon was watching it carefully. Digital currencies like Bitcoin have grown in popularity in some years, leading to higher institutional adoption, and technology organizations have warmed up to cryptocurrency that has backed a digital currency project called Diem. In May as well, they stated that they are hiring a lead negotiator to strike the partnerships with alternative payments partners, listing the crypto coin as one of the potential job expertise. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies also fell on hard times, but the sector found its hero in the form of Amazon. The job vacancy advertisement of the organization for digital currency as well as blockchain products has sparked speculation over what the tech giant will have planned. The new position will be the part of the team responsible for how customers will be able to pay on Amazon. The possibility of Amazon accepting the crypto coin as payments saw Bitcoin surge to 6-week high below 40,000 USD. There is even a suggestion that the internet behemoth will be developing its coin and accept alternatives like Ethereum. Cryptocurrencies face a fight for their role in society, value, and use. Acceptance by a massive e-commerce platform like Amazon will help their case. It is a bold move by the platform, and how the organization deals with the volatility of crypto coin will be fascinating to see. Let us know your views in the comments below. Until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe for more.